When was the last time you made a friend? Not a follower, not a connection, a real friend. For most adults, the honest answer is a long time ago. We live in the most connected era in human history, and yet, the World Health Organization declared an epidemic of loneliness in 2023. The paradox is exactly the problem I set out to solve. My name is Ana Luisa Garza. I'm a graphic designer, a marketing specialist, and the founder of SelfSight. And I didn't find this problem in a marketing report. I lived it. After the pandemic, after a year living in New York City, I came back to my hometown in Chihuahua, feeling completely disconnected, even when I was surrounded by people. I knew I had to do something about it. So in 2024, at 23 years old, I organized the first SelfSight event. I said, it's only going to be 30 people. Today, looking back, I smile at how much that decision meant. We're not a bar at night. We're not a networking event. We are the first platform focused on social health, the third pillar of well-being that nobody talks about. Every experience we create is intentionally designed with the help of a collaborating psychologist, a distinctive brand identity, and one single goal: helping people find their tribe. In just 2 years, SelfSight has hosted approximately 50 events in Chihuahua City, welcomed over 750 attendees, generated over 600,000 Mexican pesos in revenue in the last 90 days only, built community over for 704,000 followers on Instagram and TikTok, and established 15 strategic partners and venues, all local. We started with 1 event per month. Right now we have 3 events per month, and the demand keeps growing. We already have collaboration proposals from Mexico City, Querétaro, Puebla, even New York. We are participating because we are ready to scale, and we need the support to do it. SelfSight is not only a Chihuahua project, it is a scalable social health platform that can be replicated in any city where loneliness is a problem, which is virtually every city in the world. Our vision is to become the reference company in social health, proving that human connection can be designed, measured, and scaled. Because at the end of the day, we all start as strangers. My name is Ana Luisa Garza, and this is SelfSight.